Kitchen mat. The Matitude kitchen mat stands out as a solid option for anyone looking to enhance their kitchen environment. Available in a sleek black color, this mat brings a modern edge to your kitchen decor, seamlessly integrating with various styles. Its geometric pattern adds a touch of contemporary flair, making it not just functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. What sets this mat apart is its fade-resistant feature, which ensures that it maintains its vibrant appearance even in the face of daily wear and tear. This quality is particularly advantageous in a high-traffic area like the kitchen, where mats are often exposed to spills and foot traffic. Measuring 0.4 inches in thickness, it provides ample cushioning, making long periods of standing more comfortable for those engaging in cooking or cleaning tasks. Manufactured by Matitude, this mat weighs a manageable 4.3 pounds, which makes it easy to handle and relocate as needed. One aspect worth noting is the product care instructions. It is recommended to hand wash the mat only, which may seem a drawback for those seeking low-maintenance options. However, the investment in care can be justified by the mat's durability and long-lasting appearance.